Hello lovelies, welcome back. Today we are making rice and beans. If you want to know how I made this, keep watching and let's begin. For this recipe I'm using fish. You can use any proteins of your choice, and I'm going to season with my blended onions, ginger, garlic and pepper, fresh curry leaves, seasoning cubes, all-purpose seasoning and salt to taste. I will add water, cover and allow it to cook. Once that is done, I will take it out from the stock and fry it. You can also grill if you prefer. In my preheated oil, I will drop in the fish and allow it to fry.
Delicious.
Once that is done, I will take it out from the oil and set it aside for later use. In the same oil, I will go in with my chopped onions, ginger, garlic and fresh curry leaves. I will mix to combine and allow it to fry for a while to release the fragrance. Next, I will go in with my tomato paste. I will mix to combine and allow it to fry until the onion sweetens the tomato paste. Once that is done, I will go in with my blended tomatoes and onions, and I'm going to season with seasoning cubes, white pepper, all-purpose seasoning. I will mix to combine and allow it to fry for a while. Once that is done, I will add the fried fish as well as the stock. I will give it a good mix, cover and allow it to absorb the stew for about 3 to 5 minutes before removing it, because I want the fish to be juicy and succulent. If you are still watching, that means you love this recipe. Please support me by sharing this video. Thank you. 5 minutes later, I will remove the fish from the tomato sauce and set it aside. Next, I will go in with my parboiled rice as well as my cooked beans. I will give it a good mix and add the remaining fish stock. Mix to combine and taste for salt. I added all-purpose seasoning. I will stir again to combine, cover with foil and allow it to cook on a medium to low heat. At this time, our rice is almost ready. I will stir gently and transfer the fish back to the rice and allow it to heat up with the rice. And we are done. I hope you learned something from today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.